So that path of a projectile is a parabola. Consider an object which is projected with the initial velocity v naught, which makes an angle theta with the x-axis. Along x-axis, horizontal component is vx naught, and along y-axis, vertical component vy naught. The path of a projectile is a parabola. We have to prove that. Since A is equal to acceleration due to gravity g, because projectile is under acceleration due to gravity, it reaches ground again. From the origin, it makes a distance along x-axis, which is known as range. That is horizontal distance made by any projectile is range, and maximum vertical distance is maximum height. The time taken by the projectile is time of flight. Time of ascent is up to maximum height, and time of descent is from maximum height to the earth. So horizontal component of velocity is nothing but displacement made by the body along x-axis and time taken by the projectile. So at maximum height, velocity at the particle 0. Here Vx 0 is equal to V naught cos theta, and Vy 0 equal to V naught sin theta. Vx 0 is horizontal component of velocity, and Vy 0 is vertical component of velocity. We resolved into two components. Along x-axis V naught cos theta, and along y-axis V naught sin theta. That's why that Vx naught is horizontal component of initial velocity, and Vy naught is initial component velocity. So if we take Vx naught equal to Vx, then x is equal to Vx naught into t. Since displacement is nothing but velocity into time taken, so that x is equal to Vx naught into t. What about along y-axis? We have already height attained by along y-axis is y. S is equal to y and a equal to minus g. You can get y is equal to Vy naught t minus 1 by 2 gt square. You already know that x equal to Vx naught t. We take t means t equal to x by Vx naught. Substitute the value of t. So we can get this equation. So this equation is similar to that of that equation of parabolic equation. That is y is equal to ax minus bx square, where a equal to v naught by vx naught, and b is equal to g by 2 v square x naught. That is y equal to ax minus bx square formula is nothing but equation of parabola. So that the path or trajectory of the any projectile is parabola. If we take x outside means we can get e equal to x a minus bx. If you have y equal to 0 means x equal to 0 or a equal to bx or x equal to ab. So we have to evaluate x equal to 0 and x equal to a by b. So x equal to 0 is nothing but origin. X equal to a by b is nothing but range attained by the body. So that we can get r equal to a by b. Final equation is v naught square 2 sin theta cos theta by g. Since 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta, we can get v naught square sin 2 theta by g. This is the equation for range.